Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. When you guys are seeing it, it is Tuesday, October the 5th of 2021, and I'm coming at you guys today with an absolutely insane extreme couponing haul utilizing the rebate apps like Ibotta, like Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, Swag Bucks. I really went at it over the last 2 days. I went to Target on Sunday, went to Walmart on Monday, and really hit it up hard. And it's not a free haul. I'm going to admit, it's not a free haul at all. It's actually a cost, a little bit of a cost. But I'm really happy with it because I'm getting things that we need for less. And that's how excited I am about this. Like in today's haul, we needed some stuff. We needed paper towels. I had to find a deal somehow on them. So could I have gone and done a totally free moneymaker haul? Yeah, I could have. But I opted not to, so that I could really focus on getting things we need right now on the cheap. Like, isn't that the point of couponing? The freebie hauls are great, and I don't want to lose those freebie hauls. They're awesome. But sometimes you're just going to need things. And that's where I was at today. We needed paper towels, frozen meals. I like to have frozen meals to eat throughout the week, so I needed those. And so I worked those in on a deal. String cheese. We always like to have string cheese, so I worked that in on a deal. And that's just how this haul was today. So it came with a cost, but I saved 81%. Legit 81%. That's huge. That's a huge savings. And it really makes me excited to see me save that much when we were buying things we really needed today, rather than going and paying full price. Like, come on, that's crazy. So we worked the things we needed and with some really good deals and kind of did an Ibotta bonus. I had a midweek bonus for $3 back on 6, which I was shocked. That is so easy. I loved that one. I think it is because I skipped my weekend warrior. I skipped that one because it was 5 on 15 and I just couldn't make it work. So they gave me a really good one today because they wanted me to come back to doing rebates and stuff. So I had that really good bonus to work with, and that really helped my haul today. So yeah, I do want to say a couple little things. In the description box below is your printable breakdown. It has all the deals typed out and ready for you guys to print out and take with you to the store. Don't just use the printable breakdown. Watch the video. That's really what helps my channel and allows me to keep going. But I do have that printable breakdown in the description because I know a lot of you really like that and find it valuable. So that's there. Also in the description box are new printables for this week. We got some epic new printable coupons that came out this week on Sunday. Like, so many really good ones. If you haven't already grabbed them, my link is down in the description to do that. It really helps me out when you guys print coupons and use my link to do so. And finally, in the description box below, we have my rebate app referral codes. If you guys aren't already on these rebate apps, get on these rebate apps. They're absolutely, absolutely amazing. The deals on the rebate apps are bomb. They're so good. And you seriously need to get on them. So if you've not already signed up, my referral codes are down in the description box to get on the rebate apps. It does help me out when you guys use my code because I get a little bit of a commission, but you guys also usually get some like bonus points or something like that just for using some of these codes. So why not? It helps both of us. So all the rebate apps that have referrals to are in the description. All right, I think that's all I have to say here in the beginning. Let's head into Walmart, and then we'll show you Target, and then we'll come back home and go over the final numbers. But let's just dive right in with Walmart. All right, so the first thing I'm doing is grabbing one of the Great Value breads. My grandpa likes to have these for toast. Yeah, I'll get this one down here. They're 98 cents a loaf, which these went up because these were always 88 cents, but that's what everything's doing now. So they're 98 cents, and we have a rebate over on Ibotta for 10 cents back for any bread. So it literally just makes this 88 cents, which I said it's something that we use anyway. My grandpa has toast like every day, and he likes, he doesn't really care what bread, just as long as he has bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this for him. And awesome deal on the toast. Bread, not toast. Bread for toast and other things, whatever. Shut up, Nick. So next up, I'm going to grab one of the McCafe coffees. Thank you to everybody who told me about this. Several of you guys told me to check for this rebate, and then I found it, and so it's awesome. The McCafe coffee, I think it's like $5.46 or something. I have a rebate on Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. I also have an Ibotta for 10 cents back for any coffee. So that's 2 rebates towards my bonus. Then I have a rebate on Shopkick between the Buy It and the Scan Kicks for $4.06, which literally is going to make this bag of coffee 61 cents. Coffee is definitely something that a lot of my family will drink. Literally, I don't like coffee. I have no idea why, but almost everybody else loves it. So for 61 cents, yeah, cannot go wrong. All right, so next up here at Walmart, I'm grabbing these Airwick warmers. This is going to help lower the cost of the paper towels even more. These scented oil warmers are $1.47 each. We have a super awesome printable coupon for $1.75 off of any Airwick scented oil warmer that I will have in the description box. So it's literally going to make each of these free plus 28 cents worth of overage to go towards my transaction, which is really going to help with all of the items that I am grabbing today at Walmart, if I can arrange it nicely in the cart. I'm also gonna grab one of the Airwick scented oil starter kits. So really stocking up. These are $2.97 each. I have a $1.50 printable from the Airwick site, so I will have that in the description as well. So I'm gonna pay $1.47 and I'll get back $1 over on Ibotta, making this just 47 cents. So not a bad deal at all. And basically, if you think about the overage from this, kind of cancels this out. So that's really good. So cheap Airwick for the win. All right, I'm also gonna grab one of the 9 Elements cleaners. These are $4.94. This is definitely something we need. We always need cleaning supplies, and to work it into my haul like this, I'm thrilled. We have a $1 off of one coupon from the last P&G, the October P&G insert. So I'm gonna pay $3.94. We have $2 back on Ibotta, just making this $1.94, which is a decent price. I think it's decent, so pretty good deal. And of course, with a bonus, it's gonna work out to be even cheaper, so keep that in mind. So this is like the main thing I need today. So this is why, like, the big motivation for this haul. I need one of this Scott, really any paper towels. This is the best deal. These Scott paper towels, they're $5.98 right now. And there's a Fetch Rewards rebate for 75 cents back. So it's literally just gonna make these $5 and something cents. But with the bonus and everything, like I said, we're gonna get all this stuff for 78% off. So come on, guys, you can't complain. Really great. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab these 3D Doritos. These are $2.98 each. I have a $1 rebate over on Ibotta for this. I have a $1 rebate on Fetch for this. And then I also have a 30-cent any receipt on Fetch. I don't know what that's all about. But 30 cents if I do any receipts. It's gonna just make these 68 cents. It's slightly a better deal the other day, but it all works out good. So that's actually it for Walmart. Now we're gonna head over to Kroger or not Kroger. I'm so used to Kroger. I'm gonna show you guys what I grabbed at Target to kind of finish up my awesome haul today. This is all 6 rebates I need, so that's really good. Just the deals at Target were really, really good deals I wanted to take advantage of. So the first deal I decided to grab over at Target this week is on the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. These are $2.49 each. We do have a circle offer for 5% off, which is basically taking off like 12 or 13 cents. It brings it down to $2.37. Then I had a $2 manufacturer circle offer. So it just made this 37 cents. But the main reason I did it is I had 39 cents in circle earnings. So from a previous trip. So I just kind of let that go towards this toothpaste. So literally it just made this free for me. Plus I had 2 cents to go towards everything else, which is a really good win. So awesome, awesome little deal on the Colgate Max Fresh. Deal I grabbed over at Target is definitely something that we love to have, and it is string cheese. But man, this stuff adds up. So this is such a good deal. It has to be on the Disney Frozen kind. I don't care what kind it is, as long as it's on the cheap. These are $3.29. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. Swagbucks has a really great rebate for $5 back if you purchase any 2 frozen string cheese. And then on my Swagbucks, I also have a thing where if I upload any receipt, I get an extra 2 cents back, which is really great. So anyways, I ended up making these like 78 cents a package, which is absolutely insane. Like, you can't get string cheese that cheap, like, ever. So 78 cents a pack, totally grab. The final little deal I did at Target are on the Real Good bowls. I'm super excited. I love to have frozen meals for lunch. It's just easier, especially when I have a lot of work to do. I can just quickly put a frozen meal in and grab and go. So I always love to do these when they're on really good deals, and this is a bomb price on these. So the Real Good little bowls, they are $4.99 over at Target, regular price. We have a circle offer for 20% off of one. That is taking off $1. So $1 off. You're going to pay $3.99 out of pocket at the register, but Ibotta is going to give you back $3, which ends up driving these down to just 99 cents a piece, which is awesome. I got one of the chicken lasagna and one of the lemon. I can't wait to try them, but for 99 cents, cannot pass that up. right, guys, let's go ahead and talk final numbers. This haul worked out really good, even better than I expected. I did make a couple of mistakes. So at Walmart, I originally was going to get some Hall's cough drops. I had printed more of the $1.50 coupons. I went up to the register and completely forgot to use those coupons, or because I couldn't, I didn't completely forget to use the coupons. I completely forgot to go get the cough drops, so that was a fail. And then for the 9 Elements cleaner, I lost the coupon. So that was like $1 in mistakes for that. And then the cough drops actually saved me some money not picking those up. So I guess it kind of evened out, but kind of a bummer. So let me kind of tell you guys how this all went down though. Out of pocket at Target after coupons, it came to $14.54. Out of pocket at Walmart, it came to $21.81, bringing me to a total of $36.35 out of pocket. But I got back $12.95 on Ibotta, $4.10 on Shopkick, and $5.02 on Swagbucks, and $2.19 on Fetch, dropping it to $12.09. But then I got $3 back in bonuses, making it a cost of $9.09 for everything. And I'm really thrilled with that because, like I said, this haul, I was going for things we actually could use and actually need. So don't get me wrong, a lot of the hauls where I get free stuff, we'll find a use for it. Either we'll use it or we'll donate it or whatever. But there's just times that we need stuff that's not going to be free on a deal. So I would rather work it in these Ibotta hauls and get stuff on the cheap rather than me, kind of waste my time paying full price for these things later. Any savings to me is good savings, and that's how I feel about today. This was still an overall savings. Let me show you guys on the other page of 81.42%. That's an enormous amount of savings, like enormous. You truly can't beat 81.42% savings. Like, that's awesome. I'm so happy with that. That is awesome. Love this haul. Got things we needed today on the cheap. Saved 81% while doing it. And I am thrilled with that. So yeah, that's all I got for today's haul video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.